Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites featuring dishes for every meal of the day. And here now is today's host.
Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Cooking. Christopher Martin. Hi Chris.
Hi.
Welcome to Creative Cooking, son.
Thanks for having me.
You notice I'm using the word son. Good to have you on the program.
The pleasure is mine, definitely.
Tell us, the world knows about Christopher Martin, but we just want a reminder.
All right. Well, as a lot of people know, I started with Rising Stars.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I won in 2005. Yeah. And ever since that, it's just been a wonderful journey. Been in and out of Jamaica performing, you know what I mean, showing my interpretation of the music, been all over Jamaica performing. You know what I mean, we've even been on the road together, so you've seen me live.
I see women faint, you know. Yes, audience, you're hearing right. So women fainted, I had to use rubbing alcohol and things, you know what I mean? But I just want to commend you on the work you're doing. We're very impressed, we're proud of you, we have followed you all the way. And remember, the sky and beyond is the limit, right?
Thanks a lot, thanks a lot.
Okay, good. So what are you cooking for us today?
Well, I'll be preparing jerk chicken and breadfruit croquettes.
And breakfast of all for breadfruit.
What for breadfruit, man?
Today, Chris is putting his own twist on a traditional Jamaican food, jerked chicken and breadfruit croquette.
Hi, this is Chris Martin, and today we'll be preparing jerk chicken and breadfruit croquettes. Now, the first thing you should be doing at home is get cooked breadfruit. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna mash it with whether a fork or a food masher, whichever you have at home. Now, we're gonna get our margarine. Now this has to be melted Grace margarine. Gonna add it to the mixture. Your nutmeg. Your black pepper. Now, you're gonna add your salt. All these ingredients are for flavor, as you would understand if you're a true chef, as myself. Now, we're gonna continue. Now you have your breadcrumbs. Cooking in the rain, oh, I'm just cooking. This is egg yolk. I'm gonna add this to the mixture as well. Mash it all around. Now, final part of this. Most important thing about it, your jerk chicken. Properly diced, add it to the mixture. Then you add the remaining jerk chicken. Yeah. Yeah. You have to get messy. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to roll the mixture. Take a small portion of it, put it in the palm, and you roll it like this. Now you have your flour. Add it to the flour. Add it to your egg. Now you add it to the breadcrumbs. Roll it. Now you're going to add it to the oil. Now the reason I'm using this is because sometimes when you add it to the oil, it might make a splash and you get burnt. So in order, look at that, lovely, lovely. Now you just repeat that until you have enough servings. Probably, like me, I have a family of 4. So that would probably take like 16 because I probably eat like 8 and my little brother probably eats 1 or 2.
Hi Chris.
Hi.
I see you skill in the kitchen, man.
Yeah, showing that there's a lot more to just Chris Martin than singing.
Don't you know that?
It's all about presentation.
Yeah.
With a meal like this, you have to make sure that, people see that you went all out.
Yes.
You know? So,
especially when you maybe entertaining, eh?
Yeah.
With that mother or your friends.
When mother or your friends are that special person.
You know what I mean? It is always a special person. So.
Always.
Right?
So what you need to do now, after you finish it, top it off with Grace tomato ketchup.
Oh, without a doubt.
Without
and you
a
could
doubt.
put some Grace fish and meat sauce with the ketchup and you get this beautiful color,
Yeah. Yeah, so you know what I mean? Right there you have a dip. You know what I mean?
And you've started with Grace Tropical Rhythms, right?
Grace Tropical Rhythms.
I mean, without a doubt.
Without a doubt.
What
My
else?
favorite flavor is mango carrot. As long as it's Grace, because Grace is the product for me.
Listen to me, we have to talk and we have to invite Chris to come back and cook for us, you know. You don't think so, Chris?
No, I feel so, you know, because I have a lot more dishes I want to share with you.
I know that. Of course, we couldn't have Chris Martin on our show without treating you to the sound of his excellent voice.
Oh yes, see ladies, I'm here for you, nana. Pretty ladies, I'm here for you, nana. Oh yeah, oh na 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 na. Some of the nicest women you could ever find. Skin soft and smooth and so refined. Curvy little bodies, well defined. Is my Jamaican girl. Is my Jamaican girl. Talking about my beauty. With a body like I'm just a bang my brain. The clothes when them wear could drive you insane. Them hair and them nails could I never lame. The Jamaican girls is my Jamaican girls. See them know if you treat them man with care. Yes, they do. You come in and the food well prepared. Them full of vibes anytime, anywhere. And one thing them and them not share is the Jamaican girls. It's my Jamaican girls. So we no bias. Japan and American ladies, we no bias. England and African girls, we no bias. All of the Caribbean ladies, we no bias. No, no. But the Jamaican girls, my Jamaican girls. See when you talk about girls, we are fight for them goals. Send them on any mission and them go. That's the way they roll. My Jamaican girls. See when you talk about girl, we pop style in a dance. In a video like now, give it them a chance. I do them dirty wine and put them and them in a trance. That's the way they roll. My Jamaican girls.
Thanks to Christopher Martin for visiting with us and spending time in our own kitchen. It was a pleasure having him. Don't hesitate to write or email or give us a call at Grace Kitchens with any questions or suggestions that you may have. Please join us again. Till next time, thanks for watching.
Japan and American ladies, we no bias. The Caribbean ladies, we no bias. No, 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 no. The Jamaican girls, yeah.
Make it a date to tune into Smile Jamaica, 7:35 every Monday morning, with a repeat every Sunday at 2:50 p.m. That's Creative Cooking by Grace Kitchens. Don't miss it.